Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we're going to be talking about 4 tools that are going to help you better understand and manage your Etsy inventory and analytics. So guys, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to build an impactful Etsy business, make sure that you subscribe today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful Etsy business. And don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below if you currently use any of the tools that I currently talk about, or if you use a different tool, let me know in the comment section. So let's go ahead and dive in. The first tool that I want to talk about is Square. And this one is one that is very familiar. A lot of people know about Square. And every tool that I'm going to be mentioning on this video are partnered by Etsy, which means they have been approved to use by Etsy. So you don't have to worry about using them and getting your store shut down or getting in trouble for using them. So just want to put that out there. Now with Square, the nice thing about Square is that if you are an Etsy seller anywhere in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia, you're able to accept payments in person when using Square. And you're able to process credit card payments swiftly and securely wherever you are selling. The benefit of using Square as an Etsy shop and as a brand is that it easily lets you sell your inventory wherever you happen to be selling. And on top of that, any items that you sell in person, they get captured in your Etsy shop stats. And your online inventory will be updated each time you make a sale on Square. So that's the benefit of using Square. Now, keep in mind, it's a fast setup. There's no commitments. You could cancel at any given moment. If you're interested in using this for a craft show, I highly recommend them. Just make sure you check them out to see if they meet your criteria. They do charge to use Square, so make sure that you go to their site to kind of see what pricing they charge and if it's something that you feel comfortable doing. So let's go on to the next one. So the next tool that I wanted to talk about is called Crafty Base, and it's an inventory buyer analytics tool. And this is great because it keeps track of your inventory and bookkeeping. You could use this as an Etsy seller, but you could also use it if you sell outside of Etsy as a handmade seller. So it's really, really nice. And Crafty Base is an inventory and bookkeeping application specifically designed for tracking the manufacture and sale of a handmade products. They feature material and product cost tracking, COGS, Schedule C, expenses, and revenue. A lot of people like this because unlike other tools for inventory, they don't have everything that we just talked about. So this is one of those that includes everything at once. And another cool thing about Crafty Base is that you're able to keep top of your stock levels. So you're able to keep an inventory list and set low stock alerts to make sure you never run out of materials again. So it will give you notifications whenever you are low, which is really, really, really nice. I highly recommend checking them out to see if they meet your criteria for inventory and bookkeeping tracking. Now, the next one I want to talk about is called Putler Inventory. They also do inventory and analytics tool. Now, Putler calls themselves one of the best sales analytics apps in the new universe. And basically, once you pull in your information from Etsy, within minutes, you're able to see an x-ray of your own business. I think the best part for me is that they give you a lot of information of your business. So you're able to see your sales, your trends, key performing indicators, product, customer value, basically how they call it, the whole 9 yards. And it's really, really, really nice. I think for me, being able to see very specific stats to see how my business is doing, that's what I like about them. So some of the stats that you could see with Putler are you could see month-to-date sales, you could see sales compared to targets, you could forecast sales, which is really nice, sales trend chart. You could see today's sales and compare them with yesterday. You could do average revenue per customer and per day, which is really cool. Frequency of sales, revenue from your top 20% products, which is really great because if you could identify your top products, you could eventually create a robust line around those products and scale your business technically to the next level. So that's a really nice feature right there. Quantity sold, fastest and slowest selling products, numbers of customers per day. Another cool feature is the new versus returning customer and their percentage. So knowing that information, how many new customers you get and how many repeat customers you get and the percentage between them is really, really important to understanding the ins and outs of your Etsy store. It gives you a list of your top products and customers, list of recent orders and their details, instant search for orders, comparisons, and much more. But those are the top ones that I saw that I personally liked. So I would highly recommend them. For the mere fact that you're able to see like key performance indicators is really important when you're running any type of business. So it gives you really important detailed information that you should know. So it's really, really cool. And the last one I wanted to talk about is a free one. It's called Vela. And Vela is a photo editing / bulk listing edits. So Vela allows you to centralize, like manage everything, analyze and bulk edit all of your Etsy listings. And it also lets you do it across multiple shops. So if you have more than one shop like myself, through an easy, interface, and it's all for free, which is great. So you're able, like I said, manage multiple Etsy shops from one Vela account, which is really nice. You don't have to log out and log in to a different account. You're able to edit all your products, including attributes, descriptions, photo variations, and prices. You're able to create, edit, and save variation profiles. You're able to optimize photos with filters, refinements, and cropping. And like we said, it's 100% free. Plus, it includes live support, which is really nice. A lot of things out there that are free don't give you enough support in case you have questions. So the fact that they give you both which is really, really great. So I highly recommend checking out these 4 tools to kind of scale your business to the next level. Understanding your analytics is really important. It's one of the things that I always talk about on my YouTube channel. The more you know about your business, the more successful you will be. If somebody was to ask you today, what is your top, selling listing and what is your bottom? If you can't answer those questions within 5 seconds, that means you don't know your business that well. And it's really, really important to be able to understand your analytics, be able to understand what's working and what's not working in your business. So using these 4 tools will help you not only understand, but also manage your Etsy store. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below. And once again, don't forget to show me some love by liking the video. And thank you guys for watching.